Gemini, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the 18th to 24th of May 2020. And yeah, guys, you guys are amazing. Thanks for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thanks for your beautiful comments on my channel. And I'm very happy that my readings are resonating with you guys. I'm sending you so many blessings, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, care, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, guys, let's start your reading. This is for the Gemini from the week of 18th through 24th of May 2020. So this is for the Geminis. Okay, let's cut the deck for you guys. For the Geminis. Okay. Moon card. So some of you is are dealing with the Cancerian, Pisces, and yeah, you want to know something about, yeah, something you don't know and you are very curious to know. Yeah, Page of Swords is here. Definitely you are uh, looking for something. You are collecting some kind of data, information, or researching about something. Yeah. Okay, beautiful. We have Queen of Wands right in the heart of your spread. Some of you are dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Capricorn is here. Pisces here, and Cancer here. Okay. So Gemini, what are you searching for? Because you know what, this is your overall energy moon card, and you are with the Page of Swords. You are keeping an eye on something or on someone specific person. Yeah, you want to know about them, something about them. You can switch the role. If it is not you, it must be your person, the cross watcher. Okay, so with the Five of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, and the Page of Swords in your recent past are telling me that yeah, both of you are holding back, both of you are not feeling happy, both of you are feeling alone, and I'm feeling that both of you are watching on your social media accounts. You and your person, they are looking at your social media account, and you are looking at their social media account, because you both of you have trust issues with this moon card present here. Yeah, you are both of you are not trusting each other completely. That's why. Five of Cups, Queen of Wands, and the 10th of Pentacles. Yeah, both of you are feeling sad, and I'm feeling that this is the person. They are feeling very sad because they think that you are their passion, you are their stability, and then they found something about you or something like that, uh, and then their perspective has changed with this Hanged Man, and yeah, but you are not like you are not uh, giving that f. Yeah, and you are moving forward with this World card present, and you are enjoying your life. Yeah, but the part of your subconscious mind is also have that intention that you want to investigate about them. So yeah, both of you have trust issues. Okay, so let's see, why is this moon card here for the Geminis? Magician, here you are, Gemini. Virgo, Tower, Moon, Magician, Tower, and the Three of Pentacles. Okay, okay, Gemini, definitely this secret will blow out with the Tower present here, and by doing this, whatever you are doing right now, you are manifesting this Tower, because both of you have trust issues about each other, and you are not trusting them, they are not trusting you, and that's why this secret will come out, and this Tower will blow their mind as well, and you are manifesting this Tower. Yeah, by doing something with the Three of Pentacles. I'm feeling that you are finding something about the third party situation, and that's why this tower happened. Yeah, this is the secret, because I'm feeling that you have some kind of doubt that the person is dealing with another person, and that's why you are watching them. And yeah, that's why the tower moment happened. Okay, let's see why is the Page of Sword is here. Why is the Page of Sword is here? Eight of Wands, Knight of Swords, King of Wands. So yeah, communication needs to come, needs to happen. Yeah, needs to come. Wow, communication needs to happen with the Eight of Wands and the Knight of Swords. I'm feeling that this is you. You want a very truthful communication, Gemini, and the person is also want that. And yeah, some of you are dealing with the fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and you know that fire signs are very passionate. They are just action takers. So yeah, you are not fully trusting them, and but you have also passion for them, because we have a very beautiful pair here with this King and Queen of Wands. And yeah, it's a very beautiful connection, but then something has happened that you are not trusting them. Why is this Queen of Wands is here right in the heart of the spread? This needs to come up. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, Three of Swords, King of Pentacles. Okay, so I'm feeling that they are having some connection with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. Yeah, and on the workplace, and you find out about it. That's why you are feeling very sad. You are feeling very heartbroken, because you have true emotions for them, Gemini. Trust issues. Hanged Man. Six of Wands. Emperor. Four of Swords. Okay, I'm feeling that after having that heartbreak, you need a very long time to heal, because Hanged Man is a very like stuck energy. They're thinking for a long time and long time and long time and long time, and then after enlightenment they are given from the universe, they are healing, like you are the healer. And you want success in your life, and then you will be building your empire for yourself. Yeah, so your heart has been so much affected in this scenario, because this is like very tough situation. You have love for someone, very true emotions for someone, and they are betraying you, they are deceiving you, and then trust issues. And then also the situation, like you will find out like they have some person, someone else in their life except of you, and then obviously heartbroken will happen. And but you will gonna heal from that. Yeah, you will heal from that, and then Gemini, new beginnings will be coming for you with this world card present here. Okay, so why is this world here? Already three cards. Yeah, okay, I'm feeling that Eight of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, and the transformation. So yeah, this scenario will transform you totally 100%, like your looks, your like clothing, your thoughts, your every aspect of your life will change, Gemini. And yeah, because hanged man is like the hibernation thing, like the long time. So it is like you will come out of your cocoon with this transformation card, and then you will be like this emperor energy, and you will be very successful after a long period of time. Yeah. So yeah, Gemini, this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.